Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw with another episode of Sawdust Dude. Oh yeah! I appreciate you watching. Cool deal. Hey, so you're watching this video because you have Dewalt miter saw stand issues. Usually it won't close or open. Stay tuned. I'm going to help. And so is Jim. Well, after watching those videos, some of you are still been kind of frustrated with this really good stand. You're like, it's good, and I hear what you're saying, but it won't open or it won't close, so I need help. And you called Dewalt, and they said, watch the Sawdust Dude, and you still need help. Well, because somebody left a comment below, Jim, thanks Jim, appreciate it, brother. He said, you know, I tried this, and so it worked for him. And so here's another method that you may try, and we're gonna call it the Jim method. Henceforth, it shall be named the Jim method, okay? So check out the Jim method. I'm gonna show you what Jim tried, and it worked for him. And also what was cool, it worked for somebody else because they left a comment below and saw Jim's comment, and they left a comment. See, I love it when people comment. And so they tried Jim's method and it worked. So let's show you Jim's method. Ta-da! Okay, well here's the Jim method, and it's pretty creative for him to come up with it. You can see how on my stand right now, and my stand is working properly, but Jim's idea was this, is we've tried to adjust the cables to adjust the throw, and I've got it run all the way in, and some of you tried that and it still wouldn't open. Well, Jim's suggestion was to do this, switch the cables up. So in other words, the cable with the sleeve on it, put it on the top. And to do so, the only thing that you have to do is, of course, loosen these screws here so that you can slide the cable out like this, and then loosen it from here and just reverse the cables. So in other words, the sleeved cable, he wants you to move it to the top, and this unsleeved cable, move it to the bottom. So loosen these nuts and so that they're loose, and then just switch it around. Now to switch them around, you kind of have to pull it all the way out this way. So that go. Hey, what do I say? You leave a comment, it helps me out, it helps you out. Jim gets a method named after him. Way to go, Jim. Yeah, cool, man. Well, I like this. See, this makes my day. Thanks. So hey guys, I appreciate you watching, and so if you're having problems with your Dewalt miter saw stand, thanks Dewalt for recommending my videos. Thanks Jim for jumping in there and making a suggestion, man. That is so cool. Awesome. Well, hey, there you go, folks. And I hope that fixes your problem. If it does, please leave a comment below. Say thanks, Jim. Thanks, Sawdust Dude. It's all about helping each other out. Remember I say better skills for better results, you know, and nothing sucks like having your Dewalt miter saw stand that won't open or close. So let's get busy, guys. Well, cool deal. Hey, I appreciate you watching another episode of the Sawdust Dude with Jim. Thanks so much, and I'll see you real soon. Oh, yeah. Woo!